What up, Pokemon fans? Today's video, we're going to open 10 booster packs from my mystery bag. Now I'm starting to putting booster packs on this bag, trying to get what I can get, and trying to open 10 booster packs at a time on each episode. I think that's what I'm starting to do. So yeah, let's get it started. Oh, I got Shining Fates on first pack. So let's see if we can add some ultra rare cards on our binder. I'm dying to add more. Let's do the card trick. Now we have a Q-Font right here, a Weasel, Spinarak, Shinx, Coughing, Energy Card, Thwackey, Floatzel, Tropius, and we have on our first pack a shiny Oranguru. We are starting this video strong, and we are ending with a Bird Keeper. Double Trouble. 2 rares on 1 booster pack. Now that is a pull right there. Let's leave them both up. Now I had this I pulled the Beekeeper before, but it's always nice to pull a rare card. I'm not complaining, I'll take it. So first pack, I am feeling lucky. By the way, this is the code card for the first pack. Code card for this pack. Now, how are you guys doing? What are the news in your lives? Something interesting happening? Me, I am starting to getting nervous. I'm going back to school soon. I'll be a little busy compared to before, but I'm hoping I am hoping that I can still do some videos with you guys. We have a reverse holo Yanma, and we are ending with the Greedent V. 2 packs, and we had both packs we had rare cards. Oh man, today I feel lucky. Let's see if it continues. What we have here? We have Sword and Shield Rebel Clash. And card trick. Nursery. Farfetch. Meowth. Ursula. Energy card. Palpitoad. Capture Energy. We have a reverse Barbroach, and we are ending with Toxtricity as our rare card. And this is the code card for that, guys. So far, it ended up our ultra rare streak. The next pack is Bell Clash. Oh, Bell Style. Oh, I kind of mixed that up. Rebel Clash and Bell Style. And I apologize. Murkrow, Bellsprout, Bronzor, Electabuzz, Gligar, Energy Card, Phoebe, Rapid Strike Energy, Cheryl. We had a reverse holo Kingdra, and we are ending with a Jellicent as a rare card. This is the code card. That was our 4th pack. Now the 5th pack is another Bell Style. Now we have Onix, Marvel, Cherubi, Pachirisu, Championship card, Chimeco, Energy, a Bisharp, Golbat, energy recycler. We have Drampa as our reverse hollow, and we have a Marowak as our rare. This is the code card. And for the 6-pack, we have another Bell style. We start with Esper, Silicobra, Houndour, Lickitung, Energy Card, Bruno, Mustard, Morpeko, Cacnea, and Mienshao as a rare. Oh, Bellstars are like tough. They're not giving us any today. Let's see what we have on our last 4 cards. Shining Fates. Okay, we start with Coughing, Gossifleur, Rowlet, Spinarak, Energy, Gym Trainer. Okay, we have a shiny double. And the last card, we had Professor's Research. Now on today's video, Shining Fates are having all the nice pulls. This is the code card. We have another Shining Fates. Gossifleur, Coughing, Morpeko, Yanma, Horsey, Energy Card, Eldegoss, Rusted Sword, Reverse Coughing, and a Ditto V. I'll take it. Ditto making its presence known. Welcome to the party, Ditto. Wow, Shining Fates really have like good pulls in today's episode. See this? These are all from Shining Fates. This was the code card on that last one. We have Sun and Moon base set. Let's go. Let's see what we have here. You have a Spearow, Rattata, Snubbull, Energy Card, Steenie. We have a reverse hollow Rivumbi and a Golduck as our rare card. This is like the code card for that. Our last booster pack, we have Bellstyles. Now before we open this, I would like to thank you all for hanging out with me today. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. And let me know what you guys think about today's pull. I'd say it's pretty good. We got a bird catcher, I mean a bird keeper as our trainer card. We had a bunch of shiny, and we had a ultra rare card as well. So I'd say this is a good like pull. Bellsprout, Bronzer, Murkrow, Energy Card, Pignite, which is like I think one of like the best artwork on the set. Take a look at him, just enjoying. Fan of Waves, like his meal. We have Corina's Focus, and this is the code card for this pack. Let's see how we end up this video. A Primeape, which is our rare card. And that is all for today. I will see you on the next episode. Please consider hitting that like and subscribe button, guys. It will help me a lot. We have Greedent, Ditto V, we have a double shiny and a bird keeper. I will see you on the next video. Peace.